that slow cooking and the salt that makes all the difference.
Surfing going?
Amazing. Every day.
Every day? How many hours a day?
2. So another day I was at the church in Pontal and somebody saw my hair with this, right?
Yeah?
And she says, wow, today you are so Indian.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You know, my mother used to do her hair like that, so I guess whoever said that is right.
Because I married my Indian husband, so I become Indian too, right?
Oh yes, yeah, I love you too. You know, this is the first time I'm sitting in one of these chair thingies. They're so incredibly comfortable, much more than a hammock or a hedgie, as you would say here in Portuguese. These things are incredibly comfortable. Elsie, we gotta buy some, all right?
Yes.
For sure. Coming up.